it is unfortunate that the court had to confirm this case for us to go to defense hearing, whereas it was actually unconstitutional, and we had pointed it out at the time. But it's also good that the court has the prosecution has self-corrected and the court has confirmed. But all my friends, Karanja Kibicho, DCI Director, and Matiang'i, poleni sana. This was the fate. Ultimately, it was going to collapse, and it has collapsed. Long live system effects.
Long live.
And long live the judiciary for protecting those people who are saying no.
Kidogo moja nimekuja kama nimechelewa. Please, find the law.
Yeah, we confirm that the court has given us an acquittal today. And the sense of it is that in the year 2021, a decision had been made that the charges brought under Section 66 are unconstitutional. We raised that in 2021, and because it was inconvenient to the system, and because the prosecution did not have a spy in them, they have continued with the case actually. We are grateful, however, that late as it may be, it has now dawned on them that they cannot maintain such a case. We really appreciate also that the judiciary noticed that, and in the ruling giving us an acquittal, they lamented that it took so long before the realization that the judges were unconstitutional and that they should not have been detained since the High Court determined them to have been unconstitutional. I think that's all I wish to say.
Well, just to reiterate, Mr. Judge, myself for the purposes of Dr. Adrian Kamolo, counsel for the accused. We have just seen the good position of the court, whereby the previously accused person, Mr. Itumbi and Mr. Bateri, have been acquitted by the court on what we programming of a mobile phone. So you can imagine today you delete the messages that you don't need on your phone, and then you are hardwired to court. That is a scenario that faced our clients. So there was absolutely against our clients, and we are glad today that the matter has ended in an acquittal. We believe that our clients reserve the right to further action because it has been an enduring or rich, malicious prosecution shall be to account. So once again, I hail the judiciary and the independent institutions for always being keen to ensure that the rights of citizens remain protected.